Greetings, data enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of integrity constraints in databases. These constraints are the guardians of data integrity, ensuring that our databases remain accurate, reliable, and secure. Join me as we explore the 4 key types of integrity constraints: entity integrity, domain integrity, user-defined, and referential integrity. First up, let's talk about entity integrity. Entity integrity. Entity integrity mandates that each row in a table is unique, and no primary key attribute contains null values. Put simply, every record must be identifiable and distinct. For instance, imagine a table storing student records. Each student should have a unique student ID, ensuring no duplicates or missing identifiers. Domain integrity. Next, we have domain integrity, which governs the valid values for a column. It ensures that data meets specific criteria or adheres to defined data types. Consider a table storing product prices. Domain integrity would dictate that the price column only accepts numerical values within a specified range, such as positive integers. User-defined integrity. Now, let's talk about user-defined integrity, which allows users to establish their own constraints tailored to specific business rules or requirements. For instance, a company might implement a rule that restricts employee vacation days to a maximum of 30 days per year, ensuring fair distribution and optimal workforce management. Referential integrity. Last but not least, referential integrity ensures the consistency of relationships between tables by maintaining the accuracy of foreign key references. In a database linking employees to departments, referential integrity guarantees that each employee's department exists and is correctly referenced, preventing orphaned records or data inconsistencies. In conclusion, integrity constraints are the backbone of database management, safeguarding data quality and security. Whether it's ensuring unique records, defining valid data types, implementing custom rules, or preserving relational integrity, these constraints play a crucial role in maintaining the trustworthiness and reliability of our databases. Thanks for tuning in.